Hello learners, how are you all? I think you all are fine and doing great and amazing things in your life. So, as we know that every day we are talking about different topics. So, today I am here with another topic which is four aspects of English learning, English speaking. There are four elements of learning a English language. So we should know all these four elements and we have to apply in our life to learn English, to speak English. So what are the four elements? So the four elements of English speaking is like LSWR. It means listening, speaking, reading and writing. These are the four aspects of English speaking. If you will watch lots of videos of English speaker, they will suggest you these four elements, these four aspects to improve your English speaking, to speak fluently English. So we have to know all these four aspects and how we can start applying these four aspects in our learning English. So how we can apply? Let's see this. Listening. Its first part is listening, then second is speaking, and third is reading, and fourth is writing. So how we are going to apply the listening part? We have to listen English. Most of us are doing the mistake if we think if we decided to learn English, we go and read about the grammar, complex grammar we read. We just start translation. All these mistakes we don't have to do. Just we have to, if we have decided to speak English, just we have to listen and speak. This is a common sense. English improvement or English speaking, what is the mean of English speaking or English improvement? It is a basic mean that I have to speak English, I have to communicate English. If someone is asking anything, I can understand and I can give the reply to him. This is the basic mean of English speaking. So we have to just start listening. You can listen content in English. You can listen podcast, you can listen YouTube channel, you can listen news channels. From where you are, you have to decide at what time, at which place I am going to start listening. If you have genuinely you have decided to learn English, you have to decide at what time, at what place I have to learn, I have to listen. Like I have decided at 9 p.m. in the night, India Today, I have to listen English news channel. I have to listen every day 15 minutes and I am listening. Because there is a very important thing which play a big role in your speaking. If you are not listening, you are not going to speak. So you have to decide to listen every day. Do it at least 3 or 6 months. Then you will see the tremendous result within you. And after that, what we have to do? After listening, start listening, then start speaking. Practice makes man perfect. You know, you listen this quotation most of the time. So we have to just listen. Whatever you have listened or whatever the thoughts you have, just you have to come and express yourself. Speak on any topic. Just we have to practice at least 2 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes every day. And how you will practice? If you will follow lots of English speakers, they are giving some suggestions. You can start speaking alone in the room. You can start speaking in front of the mirror. You can start speaking by yourself. You can start speaking with someone on app. You can also find. So there are lots of methods. Just you have to find out which method is better for you. Just I have decided to speaking in front of the camera. This method is going to help me a lot because I am listening, and the second part which is speaking, I am applying and practicing the speaking part in front of the camera, in front of you all. It's helping a lot. This is the second part. So you have to just start speaking anywhere where you find preferred for you. Like I preferred in front of the camera to speak and express myself on different topics every day. And third is reading. So we have to just pick up a book, whatever the books in which department or in which field you are interested. You want to read science, biography, geography, politics, everything. Whatever the books, whatever the subject you are interested in, you can pick up that book and you have to just start reading every day one page. So what will happen there? You are listening, you are speaking, and you are reading books every day. So it means you involved in the English environment, because most of the people say I'm not getting the English environment. Everyone in my home is speaking the regional language, Hindi. So how I can improve? I'm not getting the environment. So how? You have to create the environment. Otherwise, you can leave the India, go in foreign countries, UK, USA, Japan, Australia, everywhere. But we can't do it. So this is the one thing that you have to change your surrounding. You have to just create the environment of this type, and you can start listening, start speaking, start reading, and just you can also start the writing also. What you have to do, I have also practiced it some months writing. So it's very helpful. Just I have to I pick up a topic like my routine, and just I pick up a topic and just I wrote down everything what I have done today, and this helped me a lot to construct the sentences. So these are the four elements which is very important to know and implement it, and one which is a very important thing, which is implementation, because knowledge is everywhere. There are lots of YouTube channels, there are lots of books, there are lots of speakers. They come and guide you, they give the secret, but the implementation is the key. Because if we got the knowledge, if you got the knowledge, we gain the knowledge, and we are not going to implement it, it's useless. So keep learning, keep growing, and keep enhancing yourself, and be 1% better every day. So thank you for today. We will meet in another video.